Can we share? Can we share the reveal with our MTM family today?
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, guys. You don't have to ask. This is called the Frenchie. People, we never sleep last night. I fall asleep 5 o'clock this morning because Ozzy was having a bout of asthma that got him coughing literally all night. No matter how we nebulized him, he's doing a little better today, but I'm not gonna lie. At about 4:45, I said to Wayne, I was like, Wayne, you can sleep through the coughing, I can't. So I went and I slept in Ozzy's bed while Ozzy slept in my bed. Did you know that, Jackson?
Yeah, I woke up and I saw you in the bed sleeping.
Your bed your room comfortable though?
Yeah, very.
It's very quiet though. I had to turn on a noise machine in the room. I don't know about you, but I can't sleep in dead quiet. It's so strange. Like, I have to hear a fan. The AC is so quiet in your room. My AC makes a little noise. But yeah, so I did turn on a sound machine to help me. And I woke up at 7 o'clock. But the 2 hours felt like 8 hours. Yes, love.
I thought you put on the like the brown sound machine thing
I did.
for Ozzy because he was still in the room.
I had it on for you guys because I was like, it's really quiet.
Yeah, so I thought when he went to sleep,
That I forgot it?
no, when he went to sleep, it would keep him asleep.
Yeah, no, not with that cough.
Okay.
Anyway, let's see what happens today. Sweet boy.
Super rough night last night, people. I know Tami must tell him about it. Today is a brand new day. Obviously, you know, say baby watch intensifies as the days go by. Tammy's Braxton Hicks are getting more, are getting stronger and stronger every day. So the reality of baby girl coming into the world is just, you know, yeah. But she have some more days to wait, so she need to stay put. But you know, any card can play in this baby delivery game. I'm going to jump in the shower right now so I can get the day started. It's a late day because last night was a rough one. No, but seriously, what not talk about?
Oh, what business?
I mean, phone business. Phone different, business different from my
We
business.
have business with other people. You know,
Do you think I should take him to the doctor? I think it might easy.
you're gonna spend money on what you have here. To me, just
We just read out the worst yesterday, don't we?
yes,
You sound better today.
yeah.
Make us fight, you know? Yes.
He said he have fever and he not eat. Well, go to the doctor. But he's eating.
Him eat
Just
today?
something in the ear.
Okay,
Something in
good.
the ear. Him eating
It's the
breakfast this
Sahara
morning.
dust. I'm telling you.
Yeah, the
He
Sahara
have no
dust.
fever and him eating. He said, if me have fever
Yeah.
and him not eating and him coughing, and he just came to the doctor, but him alright, him eating, him having breakfast this morning.
Yeah, we
And
can
him
go
have
and watch
snack.
him. Can go and watch him. Dr. Brown Bear? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you okay, Dr. Brown Bear? Watch out, watch out. Watch out.
Me and mother? Me and mother?
Watch
Wait,
out.
look at him in his little diapers.
Me and mother?
Watch out.
Oh, what's your face?
Drama this.
Love you know.
No, sir.
Oh.
No, sir.
You're so lucky.
So, hold on. Yesterday, I eat my food and I hold a little vibe, right? So, as he come over, Daddy, I want some of your food. So, me, you know, the day I said, no, as you can't eat from me because I don't want to share. Remember, say, I have a little something, I have a little cough, and I don't want to catch it. Remember, we have to be careful in this time, right? So here MoMo no. Mr. Wayne, you're a big man. Feel like a baby cold that can't catch you. I mean, me hug him up and kiss him up. Me never business where him have a man say see. No, but you know it go. We try our best for stay. What you call that? Sterile. Human being can sterile. Anyway, yeah. So I just saw it go. We just have to love them up. You want to see we last night? In him. I hug him up and I love. All about we are get cho. A baby them we have to love them up. And we alone them have them depend on we. Watch you now. And the Susie him come to me the people don't bother feel like say. Don't bother feel like say. And the woman them alone with breasts alone him love to snuggle with Love him daddy
You love daddy?
Yeah.
Give daddy a hug.
Okay.
Oh, that is nice. What's your pat back?
If you don't get the pat back, are you even like something to him?
Yeah.
Sweetie.
I go bathe. You know how long I go bathe? Boozy Pelpa.
Wait, eat this first.
Watch Boozy Pelpa. Yo, so them teeth, them two front teeth, I could talk about them. Where you say by Christmas them are coming?
Yeah.
You know which song you have to go sing Christmas? All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. Two front teeth. Two front teeth. Oh, go on there, son.
Some French toast in the morning, yeah. But this pan too small.
You know, I go show MTM from what we've been getting up to on TikTok from the other day. You're going like a nice.
Oh my god, I have to show that one.
Yeah, beer things,
I can't do the dancing one because I got the copyright.
I know. So most of you probably have seen it already. Tami are going with herself and a bunks and a do beer. Don't look down people, cause you know it go. Tami I do her dance and I go out break. May I tell you, say people, she is one of the most impressive 9-month baby moms I've come across. Yeah.
Wait.
She's impressive.
Impressive is not the right.
Alright, Mitchell's on TikTok. Watch that drama, yeah.
Man, we're waist trainer.
I never see it from a barn.
Tell you, man, we're.
From a barn out of my mother, never see man have a waist trainer. It's woman alone, this is a waist trainer.
So I phone the waist alone one train.
So do we ever never know, sir, so you want to get hourglass shape?
Carry on a shape, me I do it for me. That's
why you have to work out. You're too blasted lazy.
This is our life, people. The life of asthmatic parents.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Might as well invest in one of these guys, by the way, and don't think that is something difficult. Anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Administer it. Don't think that it's beyond you. Just do it. It's going to be worth it.
We've been doing this since Gio was about 2, same age, 3.
Yeah.
And he was the one who really helped us on our journey to understand, because he's the one we took to the hospital the most.
Yeah.
Until we figured out that we could have, careful Atlas, we could have one of these ourselves. So saved us a lot of trips to the hospital, but we've had to go to the hospital as well, because sometimes it's not enough.
When it's bad, it's bad, you know. There we go, Boozy. Alright.
As Wayne would have said, boy, people, losing a night's sleep last night is taking its toll. And it is a very, very real reminder of what is about to hit us.
Good warm up.
Clothes and skirts.
Good warm up.
No, so Wayne, every time the baby coughed last night, I was like, oh yeah, I need to have to wake up now and feed somebody. Don't it?
Yeah.
Except him can't sleep through the coughing. So that's when I went to the other room. 5 o'clock this morning, I went and said, no, I can't go no more. So
I was like,
I'm
yo,
tired.
Tami, go on over to the boys' room.
Yeah.
I will deal with this.
I was just worried that, because sometimes what happens to us and all the boys whenever they have a asthma flare. They cough so much that they end up throwing up, right? So we just have wait for that happen now, and oftentimes, you know, they feel better after, but we did a wait for it happen, and then I was just like, so every time them cough, like, yeah, and I'm big and pregnant, so I'm tired though, but we have stuff to do today. I've been working on the nursery, as you guys know, and the final piece of the puzzle goes in today.
Can we share the reveal with our MTM family
Oh,
today?
yeah, for sure. I think so. It's basically finished. I just have to get a couple little things. We can do a little nursery reveal tour. But I'm gonna go pick up the artwork that I did for her. Painted it myself.
Lovely.
Kind of like, I mean, it's not like it's my original ideas. Like, I just find little inspiration off of Pinterest, and I just kind of do my colors. I do a little line art, a little this, a little that. So I can't take full credit for being.
You did it. You did it with your bare hands.
No, I painted it, but I can't say that, you know, it's all my artistic genius.
Who
No.
can say that?
Anyway, and then I don't. You know what I don't have is one of those changing. You know, there's something that you put on the changing table and you change your baby diaper. Wait, name again? Changing pad. So we need to get one of those.
Okay.
But yeah.
Where do you get that? Okay, we'll find that today.
Yeah, we can go to one of the baby stores, either Baby Bop or Answers. It's Answers and maybe, yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. So yes, I'm tired. We also have to go to the supermarket because the house is bare. We don't have any water. When you keep your kids home from school, just know that the first day in, you will have no food left. So that's where we are in life right now. Tired, but we are pressing on. What's something I always say to you in the car whenever we hit traffic, whenever we're tired, whenever we're done.
We have each other.
At least we have each other.
At least we have each other.
Oh my god, it looks so nice, and the party! I'm so
Lovely.
thrilled. That's nice, isn't that a
Very
lovely
nice.
way to commemorate like
It is.
your old home?
Yes, it is.
What if somebody come in and come ask?
And she wanted this
that one.
She
Oh,
said this is lovely. So she said, please don't ask her.
oh,
need one for you.
that's so sweet.
Yeah, we can do one for
These
her.
are so nice.
Tami,
Yes, they are.
you look like you're up on the verge of a new side hustle.
Yeah, maybe it's my main hustle.
What a thing.
Who knows?
What
And
a
all of
thing.
them have, you know, the right
Yes.
ways, yeah. This one was which again? This way. Yeah, perfect. I love the frames, guys. They're beautiful.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm trying to get it done so quickly.
You're welcome.
Believe you me, I was like, are we gonna do this? So crazy. I remember coming here when it was a small store over on the other side for Jackson, and here I am now for the last one. It's so wild. Ooh, 15% off because I'm preggers. That is a perk. Maybe I need to buy whatever I need now.
Continue to get you pregnant.
Maybe I need to come back with the baby and I'll be like, I can still get some money out. We stopped off for a quick lunch at Auntie Sonia.
You didn't even tell me, say I record you. See me, I go and grab it.
I'm not doing too bad over myself. I said to Wayne a while ago, I said, Wayne, I thought you were going to get me a small. Have nobody look at you.
My belly looking quite tall.
It's so good. Auntie Sonia, you're bad.
See guys, I buy her flowers. Why not make it look like I don't buy her flowers and do nice things for her? Huh? Babe. love them.
If I could roll my eyes far back enough, I'd fall out of this chair. My weekly flowers, well, it's not weekly. I buy them every 2 weeks. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. I asked them to not put the lilies in because the lilies and the allergies don't mix. But these are beautiful. I don't know what all of them name, but they're pretty. I see mini carnations, and these are, I just call them lilies, but not the lily with the orange lily. Are these chrysanthemums? I don't know, but it will last me. They're beautiful. The gravitational pull of the earth.
Not even a blow can put it.
Atlas. Them style they are going with.
You're a wizard.
Magician. Wow. No, that's skillful though. That is skillful.
If you touch it, one little touch.
Alright guys, me there at the yard and just get a special delivery. This delivery I look literally special delivery. Watch you now people. This is Bounty Killer's birthday invitation, but it's not normal. It's coming up. I don't know what they in the box are, but this not regular. This not regular people. Watch you now. A little niceness inside for you. Hey, but from my no killer till now, is a man where just kind hearted like that. Real G. Watch it. A theme birthday and they must send people things. Little niceness for you. Alright, let's go through this together, guys.
It's someone's birthday, but they're sending things to other people. That doesn't make sense.
Don't it?
You're supposed to get things on your birthday, not send things on your birthday. It's kind of like Christmas. You're getting things and you're sending them away too.
Alright, and so you know, say Bounty Killer is a real legend. Big art. This birthday no normal is Bounty Killer's big 50th. 50 not out people. So alright, invitation. For it's a party, people made it. Watch ya, people. Don't try to scan my barcode, people. Look at that. Wayne Marshall, this official. So this are not like him just do a whole heap of them and send them out. People, look you know. Watch you know. Watch you know. Tami, you're dead. Yo, watch ya.
Daddy, you're going to share that with mom, right?
Wait. Watch ya.
That's too much.
You had my cup for my something and my thing. General birthday, load Sunday people. Sunday the 12th. Waterfront, Ocean Boulevard. Them dead now. Big up Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer the real legend, people. For if you know, you know. Bounty Killer had a big role in my career. Drop a Bounty Killer song right now in the comment section. Your favorite Bounty. 50th birthday, people. Happy birthday to the G. June the 12th. Tami born June 14th. So you know, say me and the Gemini them will have that something there. Yeah. What a day.
What a day. I'm so tired. I just finished up dinner. The kids ate. They're bathed and now they're in bed. And we took a little time to kind of put some last minute touches in the nursery, but the nursery is basically ready. Not that the baby's gonna be in there immediately. Like the baby's gonna be in our room for a little while, but it will be ready for her. And so yeah, you wanna see it? You wanna see it? Show it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Ready.
Let's do it.